Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia and today I will tell you about my assignment 7 of body language. The word said, body language is a very powerful tool. We had body language before we had speech, and apparently 80% of what you understand in a conversation is read through the body, not the words. When you are working hard and doing all you can to achieve your goals, anything that can give you an edge is powerful and will streamline your path to success. Just make certain you don't fall victim to any of these body language blunders. Exaggerated gestures can imply that you are stretching the truth. Crossed arms create a psychological barrier that suggests you are not open to what the other person is saying. Consistency between your words and your facial expression causes people to sense that something isn't right, and they begin to suspect that you are trying to deceive them even if they don't know exactly why or now. Turning yourself away from others or not learning into your conversation portrays that you are unengaged, uninterested, uncomfortable, and perhaps even distrustful of the person talking. Slouching is a sign of disrespect. The eye contact makes it look like you have something to hide, and that arouses suspicion. Eye contact that's too instant may be perceived as aggressive or an attempt to dominate. Watching the clock while talking to someone is a clear sign of disrespect, impatience, and inflated ego. Exaggerated nodding signals anxiety about approval. Fidgeting with or fixing your hair signals that you are anxious, over-energized, self-conscious, and distracted. Signal that you lack authority and confidence, while a handshake that is too strong could be perceived as an aggressive attempt at domination, which is just as bad. Getting too close. If you stand too close to someone or nearer than 1.5 feet, it signals that you have no respect for. Getting too close. If you stand too close to someone or nearer than 1.5 feet, it signals that you have no respect for or understanding of personal space. Avoiding these body language blunders will help you from stronger relationships, both professionally and personally. So, this is what I can talk about body language, and thank you for your attention. See you, goodbye.